Everybody, and welcome back. In this video we are going to be creating our chats page, which we're then going to be implementing inside of our home page, so that instead of showing this container with the red background, we are going to be showing our chats page when clicked on the chats button in the bottom navigation bar. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how to do this. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is that I am going to be going to my pages folder, and inside of here I am going to be creating a new file, and I'm going to call this chats_page.dart. With this done, I am going to open the page up. So now that the file is opened up, the first thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be importing the material package, and there we go. Once the material package is imported, I'm also going to import the other two packages that we require, which is one, the provider package, and the other one is going to be the get_it package. With this done, I am going to, and for some reason I'm getting a package error for get_it, so get_it. And with this done, I am going to be adding an comment at the top of my import saying that these are packages, and then creating a class which is going to be called chats page, and similar to what we've done before, it's going to extend a stateful widget. Once this is done, I'm going to open the class definition, and I'm going to add the createState function to it. And inside of the createState function, I am just going to remove the unimplemented error, and I'm going to add a return statement. Then I'm going to go outside of the class, and I'll add the corresponding state class to it, so chat page state, and it's going to be chats page state. And then I'm going to say that it extends a state of type chats page. With this, I'm going to add the build method to this class, and then inside of the build method, we are going to be doing something very similar to what we've doing before, where we are going to return a call to our function build UI, which is going to be responsible for building the UI. And then I'm going to add this function to our class called build UI. And for now, what I'll do is that I'm going to return a scaffold, and this scaffold is going to have a color background of colors.red, just for now, so we can actually see what's going on. With this, I'm going to go to my createState method, and for the state, I'm going to return a new instance of our chats page state class, do Alt-Shift-F command save. And now I'm going to be going back to our home page, and to our home page where we're doing the imports, I'm going to be importing our page. So I'm going to do //pages, and then I'm going to import /pages/ and then I'm going to import chats_page.dart, do command save. I'm going to come down to where I have my pages list being defined inside of my home page state class, and for the first container, I'm going to remove that. I'm going to add my chats page as the first one, and then do Alt-Shift-F command save, and I'm going to restart my application. And then, as you can see, for our chats page, we're still seeing a red background, but this time it's actually our chats page that is being shown, not our container with a color of red. So now I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll do the same process but for our users page. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.